Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today, or this weekend, I thought it would be perfect to do another 50,000 subscriber celebration video. And it's also the 4th of July weekend, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do a special coupon code for reaching 50,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I just have this sitting here for you guys to have something to look at, but if you want to know what it is, this is pink lavender, and this is a lilac. I'm pretty sure they come in different colors too, but this was like a purple lilac. These were from a couple years ago that I pressed, and I stuck them in one of my journals. I just think they're super pretty, but when I have the journal closed, I just put a piece of wax paper between them so they don't mess each other up. But anyway, they both represent certain special things in my life, so I like to have them in my journal. But anyway, okay, so 50,000 subscribers. Still, that is just an amazing, amazing, amazing feat. I don't know, you guys. You guys are just amazing. I can't thank you enough for subscribing to my channel. I can't thank you enough for watching my videos. I can't thank you enough for interacting with me, being in my Facebook group, you know, just commenting and sharing my videos and everything that you guys do with me, making albums along with me, giving me your thoughts, your opinions, your insights, all of that fun stuff. I just can't thank you enough. And so, like I told you in the last video, the last celebration video, I've got lots of things lined up that I want to celebrate with you guys for a really long time. So in today's video, we're going to do a coupon code, but I did want to remind you guys about the stopper tappers that Michelle made specifically. There was like 5 different ones that she made specifically for us. It's like a collab between me and her. I didn't do anything. She just did it, you know, she just did it in to help me celebrate. But anyway, don't forget there's a code for this. I'll put her link down below, and the code will be down below as well if you want to check out the stopper toppers. There was 5 different ones. She also gave me a keychain, but I don't know what to do with my envelope. She also sent me this keychain, and I completely forgot to show you guys this keychain. I think she's doing keychains now, and I guess different other little things. But she's got one of the flower charms, one of the heart charms, one of the butterfly charms, and then one of the fairy charms. She's got one of every charm that she sent on the special limited edition ones, exclusive designs to Genevieve. Yeah, I thought that was super sweet. So, isn't that cute? I don't know if she's going to be duplicating this exact thing, but she does have some keychains, I think. So, thank you, Michelle. I forgot to show this, but it's super cute. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it either. But okay, so I'll have that link down below just in case you want to check it out. The stopper toppers, the link to her Etsy shop, and the coupon code that's good through July. I'm pretty sure. I'm almost 100% certain. Do not hold me to that. You need to make sure with her, ask her. But anyways, so I'm going to do this 50% off everything in my Etsy shop with a $10 minimum purchase, and the code I think is going to be good for 2 weeks. And the reason for that is because in the next week or so we're going to be starting our new album, our basically amazing A-size album, and we're going to be adding a lot of my printable stuff in there. So there's going to be a video on the updated version of what we're going to be adding into that album. But if you need some ideas of what might be something you want to be looking at to use your 50% coupon code on, you may want to look into the vintage envelopes and inserts. There's 3 different sets. Let's see what else. You may want to look into the Basically Amazing add-on photo mats. There's all different kinds of background designs that you can choose from, but we've been using these a lot. These are like good staples. Like even these vintage envelopes and inserts, these are good staples to have for any of your projects, any of them. So you might want to look into those. And you also might want to look into the pastel vintage collage digital paper collections. There are 5 different sets. I don't want to sit this down on my thing. On my pretty dried flowers. There's pink, there's green, there's neutral, there's pastel blue, and there's pastel purple. So we're going to be using some of these in the upcomings. These are a good staple too because they're really good, just simple, basic collage type papers that are good for like accents and backgrounds and behind photos, and they're not like in your face, you know, bold prints. They're just really subtle and soft. So good, those are a good staple. And then of course the shades of color is also a very good staple, and the muted backgrounds too. And then of course the number 6 background designs, black and white set, that would be a good staple to have too. So it's just kind of a, hey, if you wanted to look for some staple items that you can use in all of your projects, those are really good ones to look at. Down in the description box below, I will have a link for the coupon code, and it will, if you hit that link, it'll take you to my Etsy shop, and then it'll automatically apply the coupon code to qualifying purchases. So it's a $10 minimum purchase. That is before tax, before VAT tax, all of that jazz. And it's US dollars. So that coupon code is gonna be good and at least until July 18th, 2020. So it's good from the time this video goes up on July 3rd, 2020 to July 18th, 2020. So it'll be good until July 18th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at the end of the day on July 18th. So at least. I may extend it a little longer depending on how quickly I can get my videos up and rolling. I've already started to record, but everything is a process. So so anyway, so this is just a big huge thank you to all of my subscribers, and the coupon code is ThankYou50. I will put it right here really quick, but it'll be down in the description box below. But again, it's just a really big, huge thank you. Thank you so much for your support of my channel. Okay, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, you may want to go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss anything, any upcoming projects or upcoming giveaways that we're going to be doing here in the future. And you may want to turn that bell notification on so you get notified when I upload a video. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy the 50% off everything in my Etsy shop for 2 weeks. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.